Hari Om, Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Let us begin this day today with the Bhakti Yoga Shloka Sangraha. So we finished the previous two, and today we are beginning with the Bhakti Yoga Shloka Sangraha. So let us start with the Dhyana Shloka. Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsachanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Mukam Karoti Vachalam Pangum Langhayate Girim Yatkrupatamaham Vande Paramanandamadhavam. अथ श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु भक्तियोगश्लोकसङ्ग्रहः श्रीभगवानुवाच चतुर्विधा भजन्ते माम् जनाः सुकृतिनोऽर्जुन चतुर्विधा भजन्ते मां जनाः सुकृतिनोऽर्जुन आर्तो जिज्ञासुरर्थार्थी ज्ञानी च भरतर्षभ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम। जयति पराशरसूनुः सत्यवती हृदय नंदनो व्यासः यस्य आस्य कमलगलितं वाङ्मयममृतं जगत्पिबति व्यासाय भवनाशाय श्रीशाय गुणराशये हृद्याय शुद्धविद्याय मध्वाय च नमो नमः। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं शेषं रामानुजं यतिं वायुं च मध्वमाचार्यम् आचार्यत्रयमाश्रये। All the dignitaries on the dais, my dear students and faculties. This is the shloka which is beginning with the Bhakti Yoga Shloka Sangraha. First of all, we need to know what is bhakti. There is a lot of misconception around the world. What is bhakti and what are all the lakshanas of bhakti, that we need to know. We are going to learn here in this Shloka Sangraha. But directly, Lord Krishna is telling in the 4th chapter, 17th Shloka, we are taking this as the beginning for the understanding of this bhakti. Bhakti Vyakhyana we need to know. In many other Bhakti Pradhana is our Bharata. Yes, we are all definitely into bhakti. But what is this bhakti? What are the Nija Bhakta Lakshanas? What are the Uttama Bhakti Lakshanas? All those things. That's why we study in our yoga Bhakti, Narada Bhakti Sutras. Is it not? In BSc, MSc, I think everybody should learn this Narada Bhakti Sutra. So there you will come to know what is real bhakti is. But in many other granthas like Bhagavatam and other Vaishnava granthas, where Bhakti Pradhana, all the three acharyas, Bhakti Pradhana acharyas, Shankara, Ramanuja and Madhva, please know them. They are all into this bhakti only. Nobody said anything other than bhakti. You have to do. That's why Shankaracharya said first, Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam. Govindam Bhaja Mudamate, Samprapte Sannihite Kale, Nahi Nahi Rakshati Dekrinkarani. So that's why bhakti is the most important here, and we are trying to understand this. Chaturvidha bhajante mam janaha sukritinaha Arjuna. Jana sukritino Arjuna. Artaha jignasuhu artharthi gnanicha bharatarshava. So 4 types of people. See, before this, understanding this, the connection is in the previous shloka. So that is the 16th shloka where Durjana, who are Durjanas, he says in the previous shloka. Connecting is very important here to understand this shloka. So where he says, Namam dushkrutino mudaha prapadyante naradamaha. He says, Durjanas. And Sukritinaha, here immediately Krishna says, Punyavantaru, avaru papigalu. So who are all Punyavantas? Chaturvida bhajante mam janaha Sukritino Arjuna. After telling who are all Dushkrutinaha, immediately Krishna says Sukritinaha. Who are Sukritis? ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಪುಣ್ಯವಂತರು. ಯಾರು 4 ಜನರು ಪುಣ್ಯವಂತರೇ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣ. ನಮಾಂ ದುಷ್ಕೃತಿನೋ ಮೂಢಾಹ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಪ್ರಪದ್ಯಂತೆ ನರಾಧಮಾಹ. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ in this chaturvida, 4 types of people, they are going to do devotion towards me, and all the 4 are punyavantas. They are artaha. Artaha means people who have rodana, who do rodana, sankata. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಸಂಕಟ ಬಂದಾಗ ವೆಂಕಟರಮಣ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದೆ ಸಂಕಟ ಬಂದಾಗಲೇ ನಾವು ಭಗವಂತನನ್ನ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ತೀರಾ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ನನ್ನ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಭಯಂಕರ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತದು ಸಂಕಟ ಬಂದಾಗ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ದೇವರೇ ನನಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ. ಯಾಕೆ ಸುಖ ಬಂದಾಗ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಈ ವಿಷಯದ? ಅದನ್ನಂದ್ರಿ, ನಾನು ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಈ ಸುಖಕ್ಕೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ತಗೋತೀರಾ. ಕಷ್ಟ ಬಂದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ದೇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕೋದ? ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮೌಢ್ಯತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಇಗ್ನೋರೆನ್ಸ್. ಕಷ್ಟ ಬಂದಾಗಲೂ ಭಗವಂತ ನೀ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಪ್ರಸಾದ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು ತಗೋಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್, ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಕೃಷ್ಣ, ಟಾಲರೇಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಸುಖ ದುಃಖ ಶೀತ ಉಷ್ಣ ಜಯ ಅಪಜಯ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನೂ ತಾಳ್ಮೆಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಅನುಭವಿಸಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಚತುರ್ವಿಧ ಭಜಂತೆ ಮಾಂ ಜನಾಃ ಸುಕೃತಿನೋರ್ಜುನ ಆರ್ತಃ. That means people who are troubled deeply in life. ಅವರು ಭಕ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಭಗವಂತನನ್ನು. ಜಿಜ್ಞಾಸು, ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವ ಒಂದು ಲಕ್ಷಣ. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಇಚ್ಛೆ ಇದೆ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಜಿಜ್ಞಾಸು. ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹೂ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ನೋ ಈಗರ್ಲಿ, ಜಿಜ್ಞಾಸು. So they are also people who are going to devote towards me. Artharthi. Artharthi means, in Hindi we can say, matalabi admi. This is what, I will do this, but what will I get from that? Artharthi. Yes, I want something from this bhakti also. Otherwise simply I won't do bhakti. What is my benefit here? बनिया के तरह हम सोचते हैं. So this is what is my business here? What will I get if I do bhakti? This is called as vyabhichari bhakti. व्यभिचारी only. कुछ लेन देन का भक्ति, भगवान से व्यवहार करते हैं हम. That is what is artharti. Yes, during the time of exams and during all those important festivals, we will go with the list of our demands in front of God. You see, during the examination time, our Yoga Ganapati will be mad rush, people doing namaskara and demanding, please pass me in this subject. All these demands. Oh, what is this? If he doesn't pass, then you won't come here only. ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ದೇವರು ಅಂತ. ಅರೆ ಭೈ, is it len den ka bhakti? That is what is vyabhichari, artharti. Then jnani, a knowledgeable man. Yes, after knowing everything in and out of bhakti, but still he continues to do bhakti. These are all the 4 types of people who are going to do bhakti. Now, they are all always very important. All the 4 are punyavantas only. But their intention is different from one person to another person. ಆರ್ತಃ, ಆರ್ತನಾದ ಮಾಡುವವರು ಅಂತ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಈ ಆರ್ತ ಅನ್ನೋ ಶಬ್ದ. ಆರ್ತನಾದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ರೋದನ ಅಂತ. ನಾವು ರೋದಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಭಗವಂತನ ಮುಂದೆ, ನನಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಯಪ್ಪ ನೀನು, ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಂಗೆ, ನಾನೊಬ್ಬನೇ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ವಿ ಶೋ ವಿ ಪ್ಲೀಡ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಗಾಡ್. ಜಿಜ್ಞಾಸು, ಅರ್ಥಾರ್ಥಿ, ಜ್ಞಾನಿ ಚ ಭರತರ್ಷ. ಆದರೆ ನಿಜವಾದ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಏನು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಭಾಗವತ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ ಭಾಗವತಂ ಸೇಸ್ ಮಾಹಾತ್ಮ್ಯ ಜ್ಞಾನಪೂರ್ವಸ್ತು ಸುದೃಢ ಸರ್ವತೋಧಿಕ ಸ್ನೇಹೋ ಭಕ್ತಿ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರೋಕ್ತ ತಯಾ ಮುಕ್ತಿರ್ನ ಚಾನ್ಯಥ. ವೇದವ್ಯಾಸ ಸೇಸ್ ದಿಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಎ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ವೇ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರಿಯಲ್ ಭಕ್ತಿ. ಮಾಹಾತ್ಮ್ಯ ಜ್ಞಾನಪೂರ್ವಸ್ತು. You have to know the magnanimity of the Supreme and then do bhakti. Bhakti is never mouth here. Close your eyes and do bhajan. No. Knowing the magnanimity of the Lord, you have to know and then do bhakti. Whatever the tools of bhakti is singing, definitely dancing, everything is bhakti. But simply don't do that without knowing it properly. ಯದೇವ ವಿದ್ಯೆಯಾ ಕರೋತಿ ಶ್ರದ್ಧಯಾ ಉಪನಿಷದ ತದೇವ ವೀರ್ಯವತ್ತರಂ ಭವತಿ. ಚಾಂದೋಗ್ಯ ಸೇಸ್ ದಿಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಡೂ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋ ಇಟ್, ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ಮೊದಲು ತಿಳಿದು ನಂಬು, ನಂಬಿ ಮಾಡು. ವಾಟ್ ಎ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಕನ್ನಡ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಅಸ್, ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಸ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಫಿಲಾಸಫಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನೋ ಇಟ್, ದೆನ್ ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ Mahatmya Jnana Purvastu, and that after knowing that Mahatmya Jnana, Sudrudaha, it has to be established in you. Yes, unflinching faith we say, no, that is what is अटूट श्रद्धा बोलते हैं हिंदी में. अटूट श्रद्धा, टूटने वाला श्रद्धा नहीं होनी चाहिए. आज मैं बोल दिया तो हाँ हाँ बोल दिया, दूसरा आदमी बोलेगा कुछ और तरह, उसको भी हाँ हाँ बोल दिया, तीसरा आदमी तीसरे की तरह, उसको भी हाँ हाँ बोल दिया. दैट इज टूटने वाला भक्ति है वो. यू आर नॉट श्योर अबाउट दैट. सुदृढ़ सर्वतोधिक स्नेहो भक्ति रीति प्रोक्त. स्नेह, दैट्स व्हाट अर्जुन हैड दिस स्नेह भाव विथ कृष्ण. स्नेहो भक्ति रीति प्रोक्त तया मुक्ति न चान्यत. So beautiful. Let us contemplate this beautiful 18 shlokas of Bhakti Yoga Shloka Sangraha in the coming days. Thank you very much. Hari Om Tat Sat.
Suprabhatam. It is my proud privilege to introduce someone whom I have learned a lot of things from, my own teacher, Dr. Sujata KJ, ma'am. Dr. Sujata is a stalwart in the field of yoga and naturopathy. Professor, Dean and Vice Principal of the SDM Manvik Naturopathy and Yogic Sciences. She has a very nice connection with this campus. She came here as an intern in 1994, did her Masters in Yoga in 2004 and completed her PhD in 2024. So every 10 years or 20 years, madam is back. I don't know. She would probably come back here for a longer time. but I request Madam to kindly hoist the flag after Shanti Mantra.
Shanti Mantra. Om